All right, Louis Porcelino, manovermarket.com, and this is the E-mini end of the day recap on 10/20, October 20th. All right, well, I didn't make any money today because I said I would not play the market from the long side, and it sat around like a stuffed pig all day, and there was no retracement. So we're back to the horse shit trade with the low volume rallies. Low volume rally. All right, so it looks like the market wants to go up and test and take out this 1906. 1903 would have been two times the IB range. So if you go here, you look at this, the green, the top of the blue would have been 1903 half. 1903 half. This is 1906, the ugly high. So it looks like that's what we're going to test. 1906. Um, it was a it was a really a dismal trading day because of the Dow was down all day, and then right at the end it went positive. We were up, so this I guess clarifies or would be classified as a trend day up. I don't know. We're up 1,815 points, still rallying. I think they're going to go try to take out these 1902 halves or 1903 half. You know, post close here, but we'll see what happens. So then the next target is at 1906. Um, the 5 minute pivot moved up all day. It closed the day at 1890.75. 1890.75. So keep that in mind tonight when you're looking at your overnight trades. Okay, 1890.75. Um, Sorry if I scared you off some longs. Just the way I'm going to tell you what I think, and then obviously you guys got to do your own trading. But um, like I said, I don't go against the pivot. Um, I don't. I wanted to be short, and as long as the 5 minute pivot stayed in a buy, I just kept my hands in my pocket. Um, I did try to buy it a couple times, and I'm just so squeamish about this. Especially when you get days like today that just keep grinding up and grinding up and grinding up. All right. So, like I said, sorry if I scared you off some trying to be long today. Let's go to a 30-minute chart. Let's see here. So that's what the market looks like here on a 30-minute. Let's go to the daily. All right. So we still haven't gotten above this. So this 1906 is going to be crucial, getting back above 1900 or 1906, and then we were looking for. So this is the third higher close today. Third higher close. Pat and I were looking for the market to take this down, and if it's going to be continuing in the trend, um, it should have taken out that 18 and 81. So I'm not, like I said, I'm a little stubborn. I'm not calling off I think we're going to go into a range now between the low and, um, this 1906 area. So got to be careful with that. Um, this chart is really too busy. Let's look at the market profile chart. That's a day chart. Okay, let's look at the market profile chart for today. The last 3 days. So we have right. We had these two here, and now we've got another higher close on the point of control. And let's look over here. Okay, So here we are. What's this right here? 1903 is right there. So if you look at this right here, 1903, we're at 1900 and a quarter right now. So possibly we will test the 1906 overnight. 1906 overnight. That's 1914. That's 1903. So let's go. Here's 1905. Cursor's on 1905 right here. So we're talking about right here. There's the high that we're going to test. So, like I said, sorry if I scared you off the longs today. Hopefully you did it the way I do it, and you just don't take any long trades and you wait for a setup for a short. Um, I've learned over the years that if you're not comfortable being a certain way, then don't do it. Don't do it because you'll be trigger happy and you'll overtrade. Okay. All right. This is Louis Porcelino, manovermarket.com, and keep an eye on the market overnight. Let me go back. This is a 5 day, 5 minute. Interesting enough, today we went into value right before the market. All right, came out of value. We never went back and retested. Okay, and we spent most of the day trading in the Globex range. So this was the high of the Globex range on Sunday night. This is the low of the range. Spent most of the day here, and then finally broke out above um, of the 1887 and a quarter area. And this is typical when you get a trend day that the pivot will move up and with the market. So as like I said, it closed at 1890.75, 1890.75. So I don't know if you're monitoring overnight positions. All right, everybody. Good night. Have a good day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.